Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, it will be another haul and I will be showing to you my hoodies collection. Madami akong hoodies kasi noon gusto ko talaga ng mga hoodies because they are so fancy and they are so hype beast and all. And nga, so madami akong hoodies na bili. Most of them nabili ko sa Ukay, some of them binili ko sa mall, some of them ay binigay sa akin. Madami ko na-collect ng mga hoodies and then I want it to share with you guys because wala akong maisip na videos, wala akong maisip na content na gagawin. So, and I need to make videos to have more views because we love views. Charot. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. So, unahin ko muna yung mga bright colors ng mga hoodie. So, first is this yellow hoodie. And it has a print of Mickey Mouse. Favorite ko to na hoodie before kasi yung loob niya may black. I like the color and yung and you know naman na maganda yung match ng color yellow at saka black. The next hoodie is itong green, bright green. Plain lang siya, so I don't know why I bought this. So masyado siya sinusuot pero maganda siya suotin kasi comfy naman. And yun na nga, I don't know why I like this. So kayo na bahala kung bakit gusto ko to or gusto niyo din. Yeah. I love green before but now. So next naman itong nude na color. I like this guys because plain lang din siya. Again, it's a plain hoodie. And then, comfy lang siya suotin. Kayo na bahala. Tingnan niyo kung maganda ba siya or hindi. Next hoodie, ito yung pinaka-first ko na designer brand na nabili sa Ukay. And it is a Supreme hoodie. I don't know kung matagal na ito na line up ng hoodie sa Supreme kasi medyo old na yung print niya and hindi ko din to sinusuot guys kasi ang laki-laki. Sobrang laki niya. Pero binili ko pa rin kasi you know, you boy like designer brand and I'm a hoarder. What I like about this hoodie because it's a Supreme, that's all. I like this hoodie because it's a Supreme. Dito na magsa-start yung mga dark colors ko ng mga hoodie. Actually, dalawa lang sila, color black. First is ito na hoodie. What I like about this hoodie because yung dito niya minimal lang. Mas maganda pa siyang tingnan kasi merong print sa side. And it says New York. Tapos maganda din siya suotin guys. Hindi masyado siya gaano kainit suotin kasi hindi masyado makapal. And comfy din siya suotin. First black hoodie that I got from the Ukay. Next hoodie is this. Ito yung pinakamabigat na hoodie na nabili ko kasi ang kapal-kapal ng fabric niya. Like this because yung hoodie niya may print. And it says, I don't know. Basta ito na yun guys. Hindi ko alam anong nakasulat. Kaya na lang bahala mag-adjust. I like this hoodie because yung print niya hindi yung normal print na print lang talaga. Naka-embroid yung design niya. So hindi siya madaling matatanggal. And then sa likod may design din siya. But then hindi na siya embroidered. So lang hindi ko to masyado siya sinusuot kasi nga ang kapal-kapal ng tela. At tapos masyado siyang mabigat. The second one that I bought in the Ukay. And the last hoodie that I got Ukay na color black is this one. It says Ghost. Ang sulat dito ng GOST sa front or Ghost, whatever. Next, dito sa likod, nakasulat siya na pa upside down. It says Okay, baliktad ko sa inyo para makita nyo guys. So, nakasulat dito, love the family. So, mostly of the hoodie that I got is minimal lang naman yung design. More or less na isa lang yung design sa front at saka sa likod. So, yeah. Ito yung last one na nabili ko na hoodie. So, next is, I don't know if this is a hoodie or a raincoat, but this one. I recently bought this sa Ukay. I don't know why I bought this. So, nakita nyo din to sa previous video ko doon sa lookbook. Sinuot ko to. And then, maganda din yung color niya. So, vibrant and neon is life, guys. I don't know what brand is it, but it says Hamel. Kaya may H dito. So, ito guys, may nakasulat din dito sa side, Hamel. So, itong last na hoodie is from our class section S10. So, I love this because I'm the one who designed it. It says S10. Symbolizes our section S10. And I like this because meron din siyang print dito sa side. Naka-embroid siya S10. So, nakalimutan ko saan kami nagpa-print ito. But then again, I like this because of the print. Kasi maganda siya tingnan guys. Pati yung design. Maganda din yung tela ng jacket or hoodie guys. Nakalimutan ko anong shop kami nagpa-print. Basta ito yun guys. So, some of them nabili ko sa Ukay. Some of them binili ko. Some of them binigay din sa akin. So, I guess that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more videos na ganito or something na mag-haul ako or something na gusto niyo makita, just comment down below, the notification bell below, so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. So I guess that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!